Good morning, students. So earlier we have learned about rule number 1 and rule number 2. So before going to rule number 3, let's recall the memories of rule 1 and rule 2. What was rule 1? If the reported verb is in present tense, the reported speech, the tense of the reported speech will remain same. What was rule number 2? If the reported verb is in past tense and the reported speech is in present tense, we apply a different rule. We have learned about these things in the previous class. Now we learn about if the reported verb is in past tense and the reported speech is also in the past tense. Earlier this was in the past tense and this was in the present tense. Now, in rule number 3, both the reporting verb and the reporting speech are in the past tense. So, for this, we will discuss in more details. So, now let's discuss about rule 3. If the reporting verb is in the past tense will change accordingly. That is, both the reporting verb and the reported speech both are in the past tense. So if both are in the past tense, there is a certain rule. If the reported speech is in past indefinite, it will change into past perfect. If the reporting speech is in past continuous, it will change into past perfect continuous. These are the two things you have to remember. When the reported speech is in past tense, that is past indefinite, it will change into past perfect, and if the reporting speech is in past continuous, it will change into past perfect continuous. Now there is one more thing. If the reporting speech is in past perfect or in the past perfect continuous, they will not change their form, they will remain same as it is, they will remain same, there will be no change in their structure. So after doing some examples, we will learn about them in more details. So let's start the example. Now let's do these two questions. First we see what is the tense of the reporting verb and the tense of the reporting speech. As you can see, both are in the past tense. So we will apply rule 3. Now we see what type of past tense it is. It is in the past indefinite tense. So what was the rule? Past indefinite change into past perfect. So the answer will be, they say that the police had arrested the burglar. Past indefinite changed into past perfect. Now come to the second one. The passenger said, the train were running to time. Now see the tense, past tense. This is also in the past tense. This is past continuous tense. So it will change into past perfect continuous tense. had been running 2 times. First one was past indefinite changed into past perfect. Second one is past continuous changed into past perfect continuous tense. So let's do some more example. Types. Vandana said, comma inverted comma, the train had steamed off in time. So what we have learned, the past tense, the past perfect tense will not change if the reported verb is in the past tense. We have learned in this rule. So the answer will be, Vandana said that the train had steamed off in time. That is, the perfect tense will remain same in the indirect form of speech. There will be no change. Now the second one, he said, comma inverted comma, Tina had been waiting bitterly for an hour. This is in the past tense and the reported speech is in the past perfect continuous tense. So what we have learned, if the reported verb is in the past tense, the past perfect continuous tense of the reported speech will not change. It will remain same. So the answer will be, he said that Tina has been weeping bitterly for an hour. If the reported verb is in the past tense and the reported speech is in the past perfect tense or in the past perfect continuous tense, when we change them into indirect speech, there will be no change in the past perfect tense or in the past perfect continuous tense. So let's do some more example. So now let's do change to direct. Earlier was change to indirect. Now what will happen? This is in the past tense. This is also in the past tense. This is in the past perfect continuous tense. So what we have learned, past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. So it is in the past perfect continuous tense, this one. So it will go back to past continuous. So what will be the answer? Jyoti said, comma inverted comma, the first letter after inverted comma will be capital. Vinay was unwell for a week. Comma inverted comma, close. Past perfect continuous changed into past continuous. Now the second one, Nargis said that the teacher had taught a new lesson. This is in the past tense, reporting verb. Now the reported speech is also in the past tense. It is in the past perfect tense. Now what we have learned, earlier past indefinite changes into past perfect. So it is in the past perfect. So it will go back to past indefinite. So what will be the answer? Nargis said, comma inverted comma, the teacher taught a new lesson. Comma inverted comma, close. So this is all about rule 3. Now you can go through the exercise and do the exercise accordingly. Thank you.